In this video, you learn how to paper trade on TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So it's very easy to paper trade on TradingView. First off, you'll have to be logged in to do this, so be sure to log into TradingView. Once you've done this, all you have to do is go to Products and head over to Super Charts and click on this. This will open up the charts inside of TradingView. Once you're in here, you have to go to the bottom and click on Trading Panel. And right here you can connect to a regular broker, but if you go to the left, the top left here, you can click on Paper Trading, the brokerage simulator by TradingView. You can click on this and click on Connect. And right now we've opened up a paper trading account inside of TradingView. Inside of here you can choose the balance you want to trade with, the leverage you want to use. All of this is inside here, and with this you can paper trade on TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.